Welcome to our shoot.
We're taking the world's largest instant camera on a round-the-world adventure to work with artists of the most remarkable variety.
All right!
This is John in France.
Welcome.
This is John in London. This is John in Venice.
Hi, I'm John. John.
Who's John? He's the world's leading expert on the world's largest instant camera, the Polaroid 20x24. He goes where it goes.
Here we go again.
Camera's ready.
This isn't really all that exciting.
Join us this season on the 20x24 project. Subscribe here.